Hi! What I'm about to present to you is going to save you hundreds of thousands in your healthcare venture. Medoc Health is not only just the most effective piece of enterprise solution you will get out there, it is the only thing you will ever need to buy in the name of technology. We are not only interoperable, interconnected, and efficient for your hospitals, but we are also a companion for you to manage your hospital resources in the most optimized way. We are Medoc, and unlike everyone else, we don't work against you by taking away your profits. We deliver you with higher revenues, save you a lot of money, and a lot of time. To top it all off, what if I say that by using Medoc, you can also guarantee up to 1 lakh of additional revenue and incentivization for your hospital every year as pure profits? Now, this collaboration between you and us is what the complete healthcare ecosystem of Medoc Health is all about. With Medoc, bring to reality the imagination of being able to manage your entire workforce from top to bottom, including their payrolls, trainings, shifts, attendance, and more, while simultaneously managing the hospital's complete inventory and, at the same time, tracking all the equipment usages, labs, scan tickets, and reports in real time from absolutely anywhere. A bonus above this, you get a single solution as the best and most optimal module for IPD management, surgery and nursing management, all the while being absolutely automated on tracking your expenses, finances, bills, and more. That's Hospital Plus for you. And it comes in all forms, specific to your hospital, customized and tailored for you. It's not just a software created by NABH standards and compliant to National Digital Health Mission and Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, but the partner to your hospital, which utilizes an ecosystem, eliminating negligence and giving you more control without any of the noise. And that's not all. You get a singular solution for your nurses to administer all their IPD duties, drugs, and discharges with Medoc Plus Nursing. Along with this, your paramedics stay on their toes and get supercharged with Medoc Plus Emergency with live tracking, patient progress, and automated supply and facilitation in hospital for the patient. Moreover, if you are struggling to get yourself or doctors to adapt to digitalization, Doc Assist will be your best friend. Unlike all other interfaces, we work in the background with seamless voice medical transcription and undoubtedly the clearest prescriptions along with complete patient history to support the diagnosis and remote IPD tracking to save hours of doctor's time. With all this, get the most of every second of your time. Now that you know that Medoc Health is the solution for you to save your time, let me quickly get to how we save money. Medoc's healthcare ecosystem automates the work of around 40 to 45% of your hospital administration with smart solutions. Around 35 to 40% of your staff's time is spent on documentation and managing files and folders, digitally or physically, directly affecting their billable hours. We can help by not only tracking but also preventing it completely. Additionally, the entire solution presented by Medoc will save you a direct 20% at the least and a whopping 60% on average of your IT solutions costs and help you reduce direct operational expenses significantly. With Me by Medoc, any prescriptions made by your doctors or lab scans can be uploaded using Medoc. Medicines administered and issued are all visible directly to the patient on their mobiles along with our revolutionary MedCard to increase inclusivity. For detailed quotes, contact us now at 883 771 3388 or mail us at marketing@medochealth.in for clear collaborations.